Welcome to a world of wonder and fascination, where the enigmatic creatures known as pandas roam amidst lush bamboo forests, captivating our hearts with their endearing charm and profound mysteries. In this video, we invite you to embark on a journey of discovery, as we unravel the secrets of these black and white marvels. Pandas have long held a special place in the hearts of people around the world. Revered as symbols of conservation and ambassadors for the natural world, their existence is not only a testament to the remarkable diversity of life on Earth, but also a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's fragile ecosystems. As we delve into the world of pandas, we will explore their extraordinary adaptations, delve into their bamboo-centric diet, and witness the heartwarming moments of panda motherhood. We will also celebrate the remarkable success stories of panda conservation and confront the challenges that continue to shape their future. In the following chapters of this video, we will be guided by the beauty and wonder of pandas, those charismatic ambassadors of the wild, on a quest for knowledge and a deep appreciation of the world they inhabit. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be enchanted by the captivating world of panda bears. As we journey together, may you come to share our awe and admiration for these magnificent creatures and the vital mission to ensure their legacy endures for generations to come. Let the adventure begin. Pandas hold significant historical and cultural importance in China, symbolizing various aspects of Chinese culture, identity, and conservation efforts. Here are some key points illustrating their significance. Ancient Chinese culture. Pandas have been part of Chinese culture for centuries. They are often depicted in Chinese art, folklore, and literature, symbolizing virtues such as peace and harmony. Ancient Chinese texts mention pandas, associating them with nobility and grace. Symbol of diplomacy. Pandas have played a vital role in China's diplomatic relations with other countries. China has gifted pandas to foreign nations as a symbol of goodwill and diplomacy. These panda diplomacy efforts aim to strengthen international ties. Conservation icon. Due to their endangered status, pandas have become global symbols of conservation. China has made significant efforts to protect and conserve pandas and their habitat. The country's commitment to panda conservation is seen as a symbol of China's dedication to preserving biodiversity. 3. Conservation icon. Due to their endangered status, pandas have become global symbols of conservation. China has made significant efforts to protect and conserve pandas and their habitat. The country's commitment to panda conservation is seen as a symbol of China's dedication to preserving biodiversity. Economic impact. Pandas are a significant driver of tourism in China. People from around the world visit panda reserves and research centers, contributing to the local and national economy. This economic impact has led to increased investment in panda conservation and research. Mascots and symbols. Pandas have been used as mascots for various events, including the 2008 Beijing Olympics and the World Expo 2010 in Shanghai. They are also featured in the logo of the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, further emphasizing their global conservation importance. Cultural values. Pandas are often associated with Chinese cultural values, such as humility and gentleness. These qualities are admired in both pandas and the Chinese people. Pandas' calm and peaceful demeanor align with the ideal of living in harmony with nature. Scientific research. Beyond their cultural significance, pandas have provided valuable insights into the world of biology and genetics. Research on pandas has led to advancements in understanding other endangered species and conservation techniques. Educational tool. Pandas serve as educational tools to raise awareness about wildlife conservation, particularly among Chinese youth. They are often featured in educational materials, helping to instill a sense of responsibility for the environment and endangered species. In summary, pandas hold a multifaceted significance in China that goes beyond their adorable appearance. They represent a blend of cultural, diplomatic, conservation, and economic aspects, making them an integral part of China's identity and global conservation efforts. Size. Pandas are relatively large bears. Adult pandas typically measure about 4 to 6 feet, 1.2 to 1.8 meters, in length, not including their short tail, which is around 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters, long. Weight. Adult pandas can be quite heavy, with males weighing between 85 to 160 kilograms, 187 to 352 pounds, and females weighing slightly less, around 70 to 125 kilograms, 154 to 276 pounds. Black and white fur. Pandas are easily recognizable by their striking black and white fur. Their bodies are covered in thick, soft fur. The majority of their fur is white, with black patches around their eyes, ears, shoulders, and legs. The fur on their ears is often black, making them look like they have black earmuffs. Unique adaptations. Pseudothumbs. One of the most fascinating adaptations of pandas is their pseudothumb. While pandas have 5 fingers on each paw, they also have an enlarged wrist bone that acts like a thumb. This pseudothumb is especially useful for holding and eating bamboo, their primary food source. It allows them to grip bamboo stalks and strip the leaves and stems efficiently. Bamboo diet. Pandas are primarily herbivores, mainly eating bamboo. Their teeth are adapted for this diet. They have strong molars and sharp canines that help them crush and chew bamboo. They can eat a lot of bamboo in a day because their stomachs are adapted to digest this tough plant material. Solitary nature. Unlike many other bear species, pandas are often solitary animals. This adaptation helps them avoid competition for food, especially because bamboo can be quite scarce in their habitat. Being solitary allows them to have their territory with enough bamboo to eat. Excellent climbers. Pandas are surprisingly good climbers, and this adaptation helps them escape from predators and find new sources of food in the wild. They can climb trees and navigate steep mountain slopes with ease. Keen sense of smell. Pandas have a strong sense of smell, which helps them locate food and communicate with other pandas. They use scent markings, such as rubbing their bodies on trees, to mark their territory and attract potential mates. In summary, pandas are large bears known for their distinctive black and white fur. Their unique adaptations, like the pseudothumb for bamboo handling, make them well suited to their bamboo-rich habitat in the mountains of China. These adaptations help them thrive in their environment and survive on a diet that is quite different from other bear species. Let's take a closer look at the eating habits of pandas, highlighting their bamboo-based diet, and also discussing the digestive problems they face as herbivores and how they deal with them. Panda eating habits. A bamboo-rich diet. Pandas are known for their particular preference for bamboo, which makes up a large portion of their diet. Here are some details about her eating habits. 1. Bamboo as a staple food. Bamboo makes up about 99% of a panda's diet. They eat various types of bamboo, including stems, leaves and sometimes even the roots. 2. Large amount of bamboo. Pandas have to eat a large amount of bamboo as it is not very nutritious. They can spend up to 12 hours a day eating bamboo and can consume up to 15% of their body weight in food. 3. Seasonal changes. Pandas often switch between different species and varieties of bamboo depending on availability and time of year. They adapt their diet to changing conditions. Digestive problems and adaptations. Although pandas eat primarily bamboo, they are anatomically carnivores, meaning their digestion is not optimally suited to a plant-based diet. Here are some of the digestive problems they face and how they deal with them. 1. Difficult digestion. Bamboo contains fiber and cellulose that are difficult to digest. Pandas have short intestines, making digestion even more difficult. 2. Adapted teeth. Pandas have sharp teeth that help them chop up bamboo. Their molars are flat and wide, which helps grind up the tough plant material. 3. Fermentation. Pandas rely on a specialized bacterial flora in their gut to break down the cellulose in bamboo. These bacteria help in fermentation to release the nutrients from the bamboo. 4. Reduced energy requirements. To reduce their energy needs, pandas spend a lot of time resting to aid digestion. They are not as active as other bear species. Overall, pandas have made remarkable adaptations to a difficult plant-based diet. Despite the challenges that bamboo poses, they have found ways to deal with it and have specialized in this food source. The elusive panda cubs breeding pandas can be quite challenging, with low survival rates among their young. However, there are also touching stories of mother pandas and their cubs in the wild that highlight the remarkable efforts these bears make to ensure their offspring's survival. Difficulties in breeding pandas. Low reproductive rate. One of the main challenges in breeding pandas is their low reproductive rate. Female pandas are only fertile for a very short period each year, typically lasting for a few days, usually in the spring. This narrow window reduces the chances of successful mating. Delayed implantation. After mating, the embryo doesn't immediately implant in the mother's womb. Instead, it can remain in a suspended state for several months, making it challenging to determine if a panda is pregnant. Low cub survival. Even if a female panda becomes pregnant, there is a high likelihood of cub mortality, especially during the early days and months of life. Twin births are relatively common, but mother pandas usually care for only one cub, leaving the other to perish. In captivity, human intervention is often necessary to ensure the survival of both cubs. Touching stories of mother pandas and cubs in the wild. The mother's dedication. Mother pandas are known for their dedication to their cubs. They provide warmth, protection, and nourishment. In the wild, pandas build nests in caves or hollow trees to keep their cubs safe and cozy. Giant panda reserves. In China, there are protected areas and reserves where pandas can live and raise their cubs without too much human interference. These areas help increase the chances of cub survival in their natural habitat. Celebrated births. When a wild panda gives birth, it's a cause for celebration among conservationists. It's a sign that the efforts to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats are making a difference. Success stories. Some remarkable stories involve the successful raising of twin cubs in the wild. Although rare, it does happen, showcasing the mother panda's extraordinary caregiving skills. Despite the challenges, pandas have a strong maternal instinct, and mother pandas go to great lengths to ensure the survival of their cubs. These stories remind us of the beauty and resilience of nature and the importance of conservation efforts to protect these iconic bears and their families in the wild. Pandas are known for their playful nature and surprising agility despite their large size. Here are some ways in which pandas exhibit their playfulness and agility. Tree climbing. Pandas are excellent climbers, and they often climb trees both for fun and to access food. They can navigate tree branches with surprising grace, showcasing their agility. Rolling and tumbling. In the wild and in captivity, pandas are often seen rolling down hills or tumbling in the snow. This playful behavior is not only adorable but also demonstrates their physical prowess. Wrestling matches. Young pandas, especially, engage in friendly wrestling matches with their siblings or playmates. These bouts help them develop their physical skills and social bonds. Swimming. While not all pandas are natural swimmers, some enjoy playing in water. They can paddle and splash around, showing that they are not just land dwellers but also capable swimmers. Interactive play with objects. In captivity, pandas are often provided with toys and objects for mental stimulation and exercise. They can be seen playfully interacting with these items, showing their curiosity and agility. Balance on hind legs. Pandas are known for their ability to stand on their hind legs. They often do this when exploring their surroundings or reaching for food, showcasing their balance and dexterity. Chasing and tagging. Pandas in the wild sometimes engage in games of chase and tag with each other. This playful behavior helps them stay alert and active. Pandas' playful nature and agility are not only endearing but also essential for their physical and mental development. It's a joy to watch these beloved bears exhibit their playful antics and demonstrate their remarkable agility despite their hefty build. Conservation efforts. International conservation efforts to protect pandas and their habitats have been crucial in ensuring the survival of this iconic species. These efforts involve cooperation between various countries, organizations, and conservationists. Here's an overview of these efforts and the significance of panda reserves and breeding programs. International cooperation. The conservation of giant pandas is a global endeavor. China, as the primary habitat for pandas, collaborates with numerous countries and international organizations to protect these bears. Cooperative agreements facilitate research, funding, and the exchange of expertise in panda conservation. Habitat protection. One of the central elements of panda conservation is the preservation of their natural habitat. Protected areas and panda reserves have been established to safeguard their environments, allowing pandas to live and breed in the wild. These reserves are often protected from deforestation and development. Reforestation. Efforts are made to restore and expand panda habitats through reforestation projects. This helps ensure that pandas have enough bamboo to feed on, as bamboo is their primary food source. Community engagement. Local communities are engaged in conservation efforts to ensure that they see the value in protecting panda habitats. This includes providing livelihood alternatives to reduce human pressure on panda habitats. Research and monitoring. Extensive research is conducted on panda behavior, genetics, and health to better understand their needs and challenges. Monitoring efforts track panda populations, helping to identify trends and threats. Captive breeding programs. Captive breeding programs, both in China and internationally, play a critical role in panda conservation. These programs are designed to increase panda populations and maintain genetic diversity. Cubs born in captivity are sometimes reintroduced into the wild. Public awareness. Educational initiatives and public awareness campaigns are essential to garner support for panda conservation. These efforts raise awareness about the importance of protecting pandas and their habitats. Fundraising and donations. Many organizations and individuals around the world contribute to panda conservation through donations and fundraising efforts. These funds are used for research, habitat protection, and breeding programs. Pandas as symbols. Pandas serve as flagship species for conservation. Their iconic status draws attention to broader conservation issues, helping to protect other endangered species and their habitats. In summary, international cooperation, habitat protection, reforestation, community engagement, research, captive breeding, public awareness, and fundraising are all vital components of global efforts to protect pandas and their habitats. Panda reserves and breeding programs are key tools in ensuring the survival and continued well-being of this beloved species, serving as models for conservation efforts worldwide. Certainly, there have been notable success stories in panda conservation, including the increase in panda population and the change in their conservation status from endangered to vulnerable. Here's an explanation of these achievements. 1. Increase in panda population. Captive breeding programs. One of the most significant success stories in panda conservation is the establishment of successful captive breeding programs. These programs have led to a significant increase in the panda population in captivity. Breeding centers in China and around the world have successfully bred and raised panda cubs, contributing to the overall panda population. Reintroduction efforts. Some captive-bred pandas have been successfully reintroduced into the wild. While this is a challenging process, it has shown promise in helping bolster wild panda populations. The cubs born in captivity undergo training to prepare them for life in the wild. Habitat restoration. Efforts to protect and restore panda habitats have also played a crucial role. Reforestation projects, as well as the establishment of protected areas and panda reserves, have helped ensure that pandas have enough bamboo to eat and safe places to live. Conservation awareness. Increased awareness and international cooperation have contributed to funding and support for panda conservation efforts. Public and private organizations, as well as individuals, have donated to panda conservation projects, which has boosted conservation efforts. Downgrade of conservation status. Red List Assessment. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, regularly assesses the conservation status of species using scientific data and research. In 2016, the IUCN downgraded the conservation status of giant pandas from endangered to vulnerable. Criteria for downgrade. The downgrade of their status reflects positive trends in panda populations and habitat conservation. The IUCN noted that the population had increased, with more than 1,800 wild pandas in China. Additionally, habitat protection and anti-poaching efforts contributed to this positive change. Ongoing conservation efforts. Despite the downgrade, continued conservation efforts are crucial. Pandas still face threats such as habitat fragmentation and climate change, and maintaining their vulnerable status reminds us of the need for ongoing conservation work. The upgrade of pandas from endangered to vulnerable is a testament to the dedication and collaborative efforts of conservationists, governments, and organizations worldwide. While it's a positive step, it also emphasizes the importance of ongoing vigilance and support for panda conservation to ensure the long-term survival of this beloved species. Pandas, while seeing some positive developments in recent years, still face ongoing threats to their survival. Two significant challenges are habitat loss and climate change. Emphasizing the need for further conservation efforts is crucial to ensuring the long-term survival of these iconic bears. 1. Habitat loss. Deforestation. One of the most critical threats to pandas is habitat loss due to deforestation. As human populations expand, forests are cleared for agriculture, infrastructure development, and urbanization. This results in the fragmentation of panda habitats, isolating populations and reducing their access to bamboo, their primary food source. Mining and logging. Activities such as mining and logging further exacerbate habitat destruction. These industries can lead to soil erosion, habitat degradation, and the disruption of panda habitats. Human settlements. The construction of roads and settlements within panda habitats can increase human-panda conflicts. It can lead to pandas venturing into human areas in search of food, which can be dangerous for both pandas and people. 2. Climate change. Bamboo phenology. Pandas are highly dependent on bamboo, which is sensitive to climate change. Shifts in temperature and rainfall patterns can affect the availability and quality of bamboo, making it harder for pandas to find suitable food. Habitat shifts. As climate change alters temperature and vegetation patterns, pandas may need to move to higher elevations to find suitable habitats. This can lead to competition with other wildlife and increased human-panda conflicts. Extreme weather events. More frequent and severe weather events, such as droughts and floods, can disrupt panda habitats and reduce their food supply. The need for further conservation efforts. Habitat protection. Expanding protected areas and panda reserves, as well as enforcing strict regulations against illegal logging and poaching, is essential. Preserving and restoring panda habitats is critical to their survival. Climate resilience. Conservation efforts should consider the impacts of climate change on pandas. This includes monitoring bamboo resources, understanding how pandas adapt to changing conditions, and creating climate-resilient habitats. Community involvement. Engaging local communities in conservation efforts can reduce human-panda conflicts. It's essential to provide alternative livelihoods and educate communities about the importance of panda conservation. Research and monitoring. Continued research into panda behavior, genetics, and health is crucial for adapting conservation strategies. Regular monitoring of panda populations and habitat conditions helps identify emerging threats. International cooperation. Collaboration among countries, organizations, and governments is essential for successful panda conservation. Global support and funding can make a significant difference. While progress has been made in protecting pandas, the ongoing threats of habitat loss and climate change necessitate sustained and innovative conservation efforts. By addressing these challenges and working together, we can ensure a bright future for these beloved creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. Conclusion. In the remarkable world of panda bears, we find a species of unparalleled uniqueness and significance. Their iconic black and white appearance, herbivorous habits, and surprising agility make them nature's living treasures. But pandas are more than just charming creatures. They are crucial to our planet's ecological balance. As keystone species, they influence the health and diversity of their habitats, particularly bamboo forests, which are vital to countless other species. Panda conservation extends far beyond these beloved bears. It's about safeguarding our natural world. They serve as global ambassadors for broader environmental issues, inspiring us to protect the delicate ecosystems we all depend on. Now, it's your turn to take action and make a difference. Support panda conservation efforts by donating to organizations dedicated to their preservation. Share this video far and wide to raise awareness about pandas and their vital role in our planet's biodiversity. Together, we can ensure that the incredible world of panda bears continues to thrive, reminding us of the beauty and importance of nature. Join us in preserving this extraordinary world of panda bears.